What's up guys, welcome to Barrookie. Ever since I have this rower here, I'm finally getting some cardio into my body. Now, especially a rower with a lot of moving parts, you want to have a maintenance schedule. And the great thing about Concept 2 is on their website they have a maintenance schedule. Because I'm going to do all the maintenance at once, what you're going to need is one, paper towel, 3-in-1 oil, a Phillips head screwdriver, and maybe a flathead screwdriver. You want a vacuum cleaner if there's a lot of dust. And you also want some water just to stay hydrated. Now, as for the daily maintenance, what we want to do is we just want to use our rag and we want to clean off this monorail here. The reason we want to do this is because we don't want to scratch up the surface with any dust that lays around. Now, onto the 50-hour maintenance. In terms of a home gym setting, I would say every month or so. In order to have smooth operation, you want this chain to be cleaned and you also want it to be lubricated. And that's something we're going to do with the 3-in-1 oil and also with a paper towel. So you take your paper towel, just a little drip, and you're going over the chain like that. So we want to go all the way. No, we actually want to add a little more. And just let it pull. Now it's time for the heavy maintenance. What you want to do annually is a deep clean of your machine, check if all the bolts are still connected. So the first thing you want to do is check for stiff links. I like to do this like this. You let it slide past your finger. Maybe you take your paper towel with some lubricant oil and you're just going to push on the chain like this. And because you're bringing a slight bend into the chain, you can see if any links are stiff or if they move all properly as they should. So if you find any stiff links, you need to replace your chain, and that's also very easy because you can just buy them at the Concept 2 website. So this chain is okay. On to the next one. Okay, the next thing we want to do is here at the handle, we want to see if any of the holes here are elongated or if anything is just not holding up, because after a lot of use and abuse, this can just wiggle a bit and start to cause some friction and open up this whole thing here. And you want to check that out. This looks very good. Even the U-bolt that you can see here, everything is still tightened. So we're not going to touch that either. So that's also a good one. If the handle doesn't return all the way, you want to adjust the tension of the cord here. I don't need to change that because the handle is going all the way. The next check on the list is check for screws tightness. We have some screws that we want to check because these hold the feed, and if the feed becomes loose, that is going to be a problem. So we really want to check on that. And that one in the back was actually a little bit loose, so it's good that we tightened it. So something I noticed while tightening all the screws here was this here. You might want to check out the website and replace the seat. Loosen or tighten the nuts on the performance monitor arm if necessary. Well, that's this thing here. I don't really think that needs adjustment, so I'm going to keep it that way. Check for dust in the flywheel to see if we need to clean this out. And that's really the last step of the process. So most of the dust is going to collect around the grill here. So what we want to do is we want to open this up and see inside and use a vacuum cleaner to just take everything apart. This is also one of the things that you probably don't have to do every single year. So here you have a tensioning screw. What I saw here is that the Phillips head is on the underside. And if I want to perform maintenance on this thing, I really want the screw to be on the top side so that I can just watch the screw and just screw it like that instead of going underneath it. So I might want to just flip the orientation of this thing anyways so that I can have easier maintenance the next time around. Pull it out on one side or on the other side. Boom. Push it in. There you go. Okay, so a little bit of dust has collected here. So we just want to take the vacuum cleaner and clean all of this off. Very easy. What I now want to do is I want to take the vacuum cleaner and just clean up the whole space here. Just go in there and vacuum the hell out of it. Boom, this slides nicely. So hold it together. So you put in a screw. You actually want to put in a screw here. screw it in, and then you slide it like this. Boom. So there you have it, guys. With just the help of the website of Concept 2 and a little bit of a handiwork, you can clean up your whole thing here. So it doesn't really look any different, but just doing your regular maintenance is going to help prolong the lifespan of this piece of equipment. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it. Let me know in the comments down below what I forgot or what I did wrong as I did the maintenance for this thing here. And I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace!